kami ni Gab dito sa park. Weekend today. And then, he's planning to have some rides. Ano rides mo, dear? If you wanna ride.
Some rides.
Ano gusto mo i-ride today?
I'm not using for car, but maybe the Mickey Mouse one, guys.
Okay.
Now, mommy. So I was okay.
Dito na kami guys. We're almost at the ride.
We're almost at the ride.
Okay guys, we're now at the rides area. Saan ka mag-rides?
Go that one.
That one?
Yeah.
Car race?
I like I-race. I-race. Mommy, let's go to I-race.
Diba mangkot na pila?
1,000, mommy. Only.
Ito yung gusto magsakay ni Gab dito?
Yeah.
Sa space? Sky race?
Yes,
Oh, sige, sige. Magtanong tayo, dali. Okay guys, madaming rides. So, mamimili lang. So, plano namin mag-minions, guys. Are you ready now to ride? Big boy?
I'm almost riding now.
Ito, oh, 70 pesos. Oh, masakay ta. Pwede na mag-ride?
Reading now, right? Here goes. Here goes. Mommy, we got our best ticket.
Yeah. That's her ticket. Hold on. Wait for it. I still have a change.
You have that.
Yeah, give me a moment. Oh, okay. Oh, this boy have a ticket.
I made this ticket.
Oh, wait lang daw.
Mommy, I need yellow minion.
Ah, sa yellow minion ka magsakay?
Yeah, because where's the yellow minion, mommy?
Ewan ko mukhang wala namang yellow. Yeah. I think any minion will do. Wait lang po ha. You will do it alone. So you hawak mabuti, okay? Sige. Hawak ka dito sa kamay. Wala ba tong hawakan? Walang hawakan.
Ang bag niya hindi makadistract yan.
Smile! Paan na ng bag mo. Oh, I gotta take your bag. Take off your bag, dear.
So out.
Hawak mabuti, Gab! Woo! Duda, sigaw. Hawak, Gab! Hawak! Hawak ka, hawak! Oh, duda, sigaw. Hawak mabuti! Si malabay ka diha. Hawak! Si Maripong eh. Hawak!
Hawak lang. Hawak, hawak.
Hawak! Hold on tight. Hey. Wow. Hey. How's it
Go down
going?
now, go down.
Baba na. Baba na.
Time is up.
Wala lang. Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang. Ayun na, si kuya pala, oh. Wow. How's the experience, babe?
Good. Now let's go to the next one.
Oh, there na, labas na.
Let's go to the next one.
Alright, to the exit, please.
And the next one.
Nahanap mo naman tayo doon.
Oh, the Ferris wheel.
Hanap mo na tayo doon.
How can we
Ayo, sakay me.
buy the face?
Wait lang ha, wait lang.
Buy.
Ay, ayaw pagpindot ya.
Ito, money.
Oh, wait lang kay kuya. Dahil lang Gab, wait lang po. Ano dito daw, pasok. Wait lang bata. Di akit, kaya mo?
Mommy, maybe I'll.
Bye! Wow! Siya lang isa. Siya guys, paikot-ikot lang siya. Kahit mag-isa lang si Gab, gumana yung rides. Pero yung ibang ride, kapag isa lang yung sasakay, hindi siya gagana. Pero ito gumana. Bye-bye na! Ba't malungkot? Bye-bye na! Baba na dyan. Baba na dear. Patulong kay kuya. Thank you kuya. Opo.